Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something fun. I don't have anything on my face right now. We're going to call it the Ditch Heavy Foundation Challenge. That's what we're doing today. I saw it on TikTok and I thought it was interesting, and I did do it the other night and it was so cool. I did it live on my Younique by Melissa page. And everybody loved it, and everybody's going to try it. So it's very, very simple. We're not using, it's all about looking like natural skin. And then we are going to add elements to it to, to play it up. Of course, you got to do your eyes, a little bronzer, a little blush. And it looks really, really natural and pretty. So are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to start with BB cream. That's what we're using. You could use a tinted moisturizer, or you can use this. Now, I'm going to mix these two together. One of these colors is Bisque, which is this one, which is a lighter one, and then this one is Honey. I'm kind of in between because, summer's just come in. I haven't been out in the sun or anything like that. So I'm going to mix these two colors together. Okay, so I've got them in my hand. And we're going to apply this to our face, and I'm not putting it on my under eyes because we are going to use a concealer for this as well. Ooh, I love a tinted moisturizer. These are so nice. They go on very easily. You do want to bring it down your neck just a little bit. And look at it. It's going to make your skin just glow. That's what I love, love, love about BB creams or tinted moisturizers, whichever one you want to use. Now, you will love the finish of this. Just don't look at my scar. It's never going away until I do something with it. I am feeling better, but a lot's been going on. I had my echocardiogram a week ago, and then I had the stress test yesterday. So I don't have any news to update you on that yet, other than I'm feeling okay. I don't feel bad at all. So I have my moments, with my anxiety and stuff like that, but don't we all? It's called daily life, right? And so, oh, that's pretty. See, that looks like my skin, but just better. Now, we're going to layer products on top of this. But the one thing we've got to do over this, the next step is powder. Don't be scared. Now, this is going to set this because this is a tinted moisturizer. So in order to add powder products, which is what we're going to do, we have to mattify this just a little bit. So I'm going to use Mercier. I'm going to use their translucent setting powder. I'm going to put it in my lid like this. I love the stuff. Such a beautiful kind of ivory color. Big fluffy brush, grab it. And we're just going to buff this in. Now, I'm not putting this under my under eyes, okay? Remember, we're going to do something different with that. But you want to make sure everything is powdered. And this is the easiest way to do it. I put it right here on this side. See how it mattifies it just a little bit? And it really does set it so that everything else we're going to add, which is minimal. We're really doing a minimalist look too, kind of. But this is called Ditch Heavy Coverage Foundation Challenge. And I thought it interesting. And it really turned out pretty. So if you were looking for something light this summer and you want to just get out the door quickly, this could be for you, because we're only going to use one eyeshadow. Oh, hey, girl. That makes things really fast. So our next product we're going to use is bronzer. Bronzer brings life to your face. This is Younique's bronzer. This is the color light. I wanted to use medium, but I can't find it, so we're going to go with light. And you're going to place this right where you need that bronzer on your face, because bronzer warms everything up. It gives you more definition back in your face, because now we're just one-dimensional, and we want to add this back. Look at that. Ooh, how pretty. This is such a pretty matte bronzer. Oh, there's 3 different colors. There's light, medium, and dark. Of course, the dark would be too dark for me, but this one, the light and the medium work really well for me. And sometimes I mix the two, Look at that. Oh, girl. And I'm going to put it on my nose just a little bit. Right there too. So that's all the places you would put the bronzer. Oh, this is going to come together so pretty. Now, you know what? Your face would not be complete without brows. So brows is the next thing we're going to do. I'm going to use my Anastasia little brow pencil. I love this one. This one is in the color, let me see if I can find it. What is it? Soft brown. There it is, soft brown. So this one has a little tiny retractable. I love it. This is like my perfect color now. And I love doing my brows now. I did a brow tutorial not too long ago, and this was one that I featured. And this was I told you this was my favorite one, and it is my favorite one. So I am kind of stuck on this one. I really do like their products. Let me move this out of my way. There we go. I got me a new mirror, by the way, and I'm loving it. It's got this little clip thing sitting on it like that, and you can put your phone here, and you can actually videotape like right here. I love it. I haven't tried it yet, but you know me, I haven't had time here lately. You know, I work full time, and I love doing this though. But I only get to do this one day a week. So I'm only here on Sundays. Brows matter, girlfriend. They do. Brows matter. So let's do this side. And I could finish this one off camera for you, but this is so easy to use. Just want you to see how easy it can go on really quickly. Love it. And I think I'm going to go to Ulta today. I'm looking for some new things to try out. And I'm just, you know, I love to go and look. I love to go and see what's new and what's coming out. And I love Sephora. I don't need to go in that store, but I do love it. I did go in there a couple of weekends ago in Sephora, but they did not have my concealer color. And so I ordered it online, and it hasn't gotten here yet. But I still have a little bit of concealer left, which is going to be our next step, I believe. No, we're going to do eyes next. We're going to do the eye look, and then we're going to do the concealer and lashes, okay? So that's where we're headed. Very quickly do this. If you have one like this, you can get your brows done fairly quickly. I love the fact that it's got this little brush on the end, and it just makes it so easy to do your brows. Look at that. Ta-da! I love it. Now, always before I do my eyes, you know I love to use my Velour Press Powder Foundation, and I always love to add it right up here to kind of help with that discoloration I have, and it just evens out my skin tone. But I am going to use a liquid eyeshadow, so we're going to use the color Reverent, and here it is right here. Here's Reverent. And we're going to use Reverent, and I got to find me a brush. Which brush do I want to use today? I want to use, I think I used this one the other day for this, so we'll just use this one. This is a Younique brush. It's a fluffy crease brush. And we will take this beautiful color, and we're going to add it to our lid. Just to our lid only, like that. And then you're going to take this, and you're just going to blend it up. Blend it all the way up. I love this eyeshadow. It is like one of the best ones you can get that Younique has in the color line. To me, it's the one that's most easiest. It's the one that you can do a one and done with, okay? Because it has like dark and light, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It's easy to do. Just put it on, blend it out, and then we'll add some lashes to this. So if you want something to get out the door quickly, Reverent is your color. It goes with any skin tone. It's just a beautiful kind of golden champagne, peachy color. I don't know, it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful for summer. It'd be great for the beach. They are waterproof, crease proof. And once you get it on, it stays. It stays all day. I absolutely love it. It is my favorite color in the liquid eyeshadows. Okay, there you go. So the next thing we're going to do is mascara, and curl your lashes first. I always have to do that. And you know what I'm going to use? I'm going to use 4D. Now, the other night I did use Twisted, but today I feel like 4D. And I wore Twisted yesterday, so I got to do some 4D today. This stuff right here has fibers in it. It makes your lashes long. Now, you could do false lashes if you want to with this. You could definitely do that. My daughter was talking about trying falsies. She said that since she's had the baby, that she has lost her eyelashes. And I haven't even noticed that. And she always had these beautiful long eyelashes, and she's really bummed about it. And I told her that Younique has some, and I have some, and I said, I'll just let you try them. They're magnetic eyelashes, but I don't know what she's going to do. She's really sad about it, and I can understand that because hers were beautiful, but this mascara here is the bomb. It is my favorite mascara. I have not used another mascara in 7 years. Can you believe that? Started off with 3D Fiber Lash mascara, and then it eventually turned into this One Step, which I love. And look at that. Don't you like it? You know you like it. You see how excited I get over it? I love it. It's my favorite. So get your lashes on, and then we're going to move on, girlfriend. Our next step is concealer. Yes, I love concealer. Now, this is my Cohost, and I love, love, love it. I'm almost empty, though. I mean, seriously, there's hardly anything left in here. I'm bummed. I hope it comes today. It can't be without that. Now, I'm going to use Angie's Hot and Flashy brush. These are available now in singles on the BK Beauty site, and I will put my link down there for BK Beauty, and you can get 10% off. Yes. Yes, you can. They have the most beautiful eye palette. I did a review on that. They have beautiful lipsticks, lip liners, and this brush was specifically designed by Angie for for concealer. And I love it. So you just add the concealer where you need it. If you just need it under your under eyes, then just do that. If you need it kind of highlighted down through the center of your face, then do that. Look at that. How pretty is that? So pretty. Now let's come here. And yes, I already had put some hydrating primer there. So make sure you do that. And I am going to set this with some powder. Oh, so easy to do. See how easy it is to blend it out? Absolutely perfect. Okay. Is there anywhere else I would like to have a little light? I think I like a little light right here, maybe. And just right in this area, like that. And maybe just down my nose a tad. I didn't do this the other night, but you know what? We're going to use a blending bud for this. There we go. And it blends right in. Even though I've got powder on, I'm not putting that much. And remember, I did not put powder under here at all. Oh, it's coming together. I really like this because it looks a lot like your skin, but better. I mean, you know, I've got flaws. I got brown spots, and they're going to show, and that's okay. I don't care. I don't care. I'm, what, almost 60 now? So, yeah, I'm going to have some stuff on my face. I am. We all are, you know, unless you go and have it taken away. Now, I'm going to let that set for a second. I always let my concealer set before I set it with my powder. Okay, now we can set my concealer. I'm going to use the It's by Pore Loose powder. Love it. It's translucent. It's really light, and it works really well. I'm going to put it right where I put the other, just so that it sets well. There we go. Now, the next thing, if you want to, you can add this one or not. I debated about whether adding this one or not, because since I already have bronzer on, but you can add a little bit of contour if you want to, and it's not gonna hurt if you do. If you want a little bit more chiseled look here, you can definitely add that to the mix. I think it's really pretty, so I'm gonna add it for you just because I like it. Just because I like it. And then I take my little beauty blender and I just kind of blend it out. And this is a moist beauty blender, and this is the original beauty blender. I love it. I paid 20 bucks for it, and so I'm telling you what, it has been the best beauty blender I've ever had. I can wash it. It never changes. A lot of the others, they start coming apart and stuff, and I've had that one for a while, so you might like to want to invest in one of those. So there you go. Look at that. Ta-da! Okay, our next step. Oh, blush. Okay, I'm going to use this BK Beauty brush 106, and I'm going to use the color Stunning by Younique. Oh, I love this color. It has such a good, bright color to it. Oh, my goodness. And you know what? When you add blush, add some blush, girl, because blush can cover up a lot of things. It really can. I mean, it brightens up your face. You can even bring it up here if you want to. Take on up into your temple. That's what I typically will do. Right up to the temple. And try not to come, just start here at the corner and go up, okay? Because that's where you want that beautiful color to come right through here. And it gives you a lifting effect too. See, it's already lifted my face. Just this beautiful bright color. Stunning. Is so pretty. It'd be pretty for spring. It's the reason I pulled it out, because I like lighter colors for spring. And then we can move on and we can add a little bit of, let me find my color. I don't know which one I want. I want golden. So let's do a little bit of golden, because golden is a highlight. So you can definitely come in right behind this and do a little highlight. Use the same brush and just come right over that. Right up through here. Keep it high on your cheekbone. And you can come right over the top of that color. Look, oh, and girl, if you want to, put it right down the center of your face too. So we're finally to lips. Can you believe it? I'm going to use, this is my favorite combination. I just love it. And so you put on whatever favorite is yours. This is NYX's Need Me Lip Liner. You know, I love this. It is my favorite lip liner. I love the color of it. And it goes with like any skin tone. It's such a pretty lip liner. And it's very creamy. And it just glides on. You know how you get some of them that's dry and it just kind of takes your skin with it? It hurts, don't it? This doesn't do that. And you do have to sharpen these though. So they're not retractable or anything like that. So we're going to fill in the corners right here. It's a very blustery day here. It's beautiful here today, but it's cold. You know, it's been very warm and now it's cold. So we're using Minted. This is Younique's color. Now, we're doing an ombre. So kind of blend that out. You can blend it with your fingers if you want. It just gives you the illusion of having a bigger lip. That's why I like it. That's what I love about these two together. This is my favorite combo. And then also, I love, I don't know what I did with Well To Do. Well To Do is a little bit lighter. I laid it back down. I don't know where I put it. But it's a little bit lighter and it's not pink. It's more of a neutral color. So if you love that kind, you use a neutral color in the middle of it. And I think you will love that too. Now you can add a little bit of lip gloss over this if you want to. Most of the time I don't do that, but because I just like for it to stay. It's because if you put a lip gloss on it, you know, it's going to come off a little bit at a time. But this will stay a lot longer. Anyway, girlfriends, I appreciate you hanging out with me today. I am only here on Sundays, you know, so please like and share and click that notification bell. And I will see you on Sundays only. I wish I had more time. You know, I'm working on it. I'm working on some things in my life. And so this accident that has caused this wonderful scar has really changed my mindset. And so I'm going to try to start slowing down a little bit more. I'm still working full time, but I'm coming up with some plans. So Lister's working on some plans to change things. And I hope that it happens, you know, maybe within the next year or so. And anyway, I love you guys. Please make sure that you put something in the comments about what you think about this. Or if you're going to try it, please say you're going to try it, okay? And I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.